Hello again, English 101 students. This is your professor, Michael Bloomingberg, and I'm hoping this first week is treating you well. This is a video designed to do a couple of different things. First of all, I want to just briefly show you our navigation for the Blackboard page, just get you comfortable with the functions, while hopefully at the same time introducing you to what you need to be working on for week one. So this is our Blackboard page, and this is the landing portion of our page, which always brings you to the announcements. Now, I will post at least one new announcement each week, but oftentimes it will be more than one announcement. So I encourage you to always log in at least 3 to 4 times a week, if not more, just to check in. Of course, our class operates on a week-by-week basis. So the first thing after you see the announcement, and I have posted a welcome announcement that just kind of walks you through how to get started, but this video is kind of doing the same thing. So once you log in for the first time in the class, check out the Start Here tab. Now, to be perfectly honest, I'm not sure this is a tab that you'll check into a whole lot beyond maybe the first week, but it is a good place to start. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'll move my screen over just a little bit. So you're going to find lots of information in the Start Here portion of our Blackboard page, such as a welcome to the class that just kind of gives you some general information. There's a Meet the Professor portion. Do check that out, as you'll learn a little bit more about me. And that's only fair since in week one I'm asking you to introduce yourself. I wanted to provide an introduction of myself as well. You'll find my contact information. This is also provided on the syllabus for you as well. Email is the best way to contact me. Information about the 101 Civility Code. This is important because it talks to you about how to interact with each other and myself in a proper civil tone in the class. How to download Microsoft Office for free as a student. That's really cool if you didn't know about that yet. The information's given. Minimal text support, information, accessibility statements about the technology. There's some Blackboard tutorials, some learner support links, how to get the Blackboard mobile app if you haven't downloaded that yet to your mobile device. So do check that out. Spend some time with it. I think you'll find it helpful. From there, you're going to want to click on the course syllabus and get introduced to the syllabus. Now, I have added at this point a video that also walks you through the syllabus, so be sure to check that out. Excuse me, I think you'll find that to be helpful. Now, course content, this is where you want to go with the start of each week, as I will add a new folder with each new week. Again, probably no later than Monday afternoon, and the work's going to be due Sunday night, so that gives you the nearly a full week with each week's work. And of course, as you can see, week one is already uploaded for you. So let's click on that folder and check it out. So you can see that there is a week one video that's been provided for you already that walks you through what to expect. This video, of course. There's a course worksheet. It's the same sheet as a Word document PDF file. This is what you want to open each week, just to make sure you understand excuse me, what is expected each week. And this week there are 2 discussion board assignments. We'll take a look at those in just a moment. And a link to the discussion board. Now you can use the link in the week 1 folder, or if you want to use the link over here, excuse me, in the layout portion, the navigation panel, you can use that as well. If you click on that, you'll see that what I'm asking you to do is post an introduction to yourself for this week, and there's also one related to the syllabus. Excuse me. That just asks you to post your understanding. Now, with each one of these, you have until Sunday to complete your responses, and they must be at least 100 words or more. But each one of these also requires a reply to a classmate. With your replies, you can split those up to include more than one, but you do need to make sure you do your replies. Now I'm not going to click on My Grades because I'm not a student in the class, but you can click there at any point in the semester to see your grades in the class and how you're progressing. There's also an Email Mr. Bloomingberg link, and if you click it, that will allow you to send a direct email message to me if you have any question about anything. Now, real fast, I just want to give you some guidelines of what you might want to expect here when you're sending me an email. So you would say something like English 101 online, and you guys are the only online that I have this semester. Question. Now, if you want to put, if it's about an essay, like you might put essay 1 question, I just encourage you to be specific in your subject line because it will help me out immensely in terms of being able to answer your question. Then put, Dear Mr. Bloomingberg, and then type your email here. When you have your message complete, excuse me, hit the blue submit button, and that will send it to my inbox, and I do respond to all emails within 24 to 48 hours. Please be patient, as I do oftentimes get a lot of emails, and so it does take some time to answer each one of those, but I will answer your email. All right, I'm going to click back. That's pretty much it. Excuse me. If you have questions about anything, just make sure to email me. But again, I want to welcome you to the class, and I wish you the best of luck in the first week of the spring 2019 semester.